Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In this video, I'm going to show you where are your like, posts or pins on Pinterest. So you press your profile on the bottom right, and then you see up there your Pinterest likes. So since I only have one pin, so I can save my pin to my mood board. So I can just press that save button, and then once I press on it, I just have to choose which board I want to keep that pin. So for example, I want to keep it there, and it's saved. So I can just go back to my boards and then check in there, and there you go. So the video I've liked is now saved in my board. So I hope it's useful, and thank you for watching.